Welcome back to OBS Family DIY projects and fixes. So again, we are back. Last in our last video, we were doing some bedroom renovations in one of our bedrooms that we've been leasing out. Um, One of the things that I want to mention is being a DIYer. There's a lot of stuff that we keep on doing. And for instance, we this is an old house that we have. It's quite old. And one of the things about buying an old property anywhere in the world, I would say, is there's a number of things that you have to do, or there's a number of things that you have to hire some people to do. For instance, plumbing is one of those things. There could be old pipes that burst. There could be, you know, tapes, water tapes that will not be working, toilets that are not flushing properly. So it's a lot of work to, get the house to par to what you expect it to be. So you have to put in a lot of work into that property. So for today, we were renovating this bedroom of ours, but now we found out that the I think this is called handheld shower. The handheld shower is broken. As you can see, it's very dirty. It looks doesn't look nice. So we're gonna remove this, replace it with what we've got that we get from builders. There is a hose extension pipe. I think it's 1.2 meters. Might be slightly too long, but should be okay. And there's a handheld shower that we are going to replace this stuff with. And of course, we will do a bit of more work again in some of our older bathrooms. But for now, this is what we are going to do today. We're going to try and remove this, fix it up so that it becomes usable again. Because at the moment, if you try and swing over from here to the top side to use this side of the water faucet, the problem is somewhere along this flexi hose, there's a crack, a big crack. So water will just come out, so this becomes useless. So because the handheld shower is actually that bad, we're gonna just replace the whole thing. So we are replacing the cable, the flexi hose, and this handheld shower with this new one that we've got. So be with us as we continue. It's gonna be a lot of work that we will be putting up, especially on this house. There's lots of stuff that are old. They still work. They are old. We just need to replace them. We'll be taking along a lot of videos on this work as a DIY. Even the bathtub, you can see it's pink in color. So it's quite an old one. We'll have to at one time redo this, and we'll be glad to show you the DIY work that we're gonna be doing. Probably we'll have to replace the floors as well to match whatever tub that we are going to put in. So yeah, be with us today as we work together just to solve one of these little things. We will be happy for you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you're first time, please kindly like, share, subscribe to our channel, and comment. It's very important to comment. We are welcome. You are welcome to comment, whether negative or positive. As a DIY family, whatever you comment, we piggyback on that, and we learn more, and we'll do a proper video again next time if we are doing something wrong. Thank you. Be with us as we go through. Oh, there we go. That's the old one. That's okay. Okay. Okay, there's two rubbers here. They're the same size. So I'll put one rubber. This one that we took out, there isn't a rubber here. So, okay, let's fit this rubber over here. That looks okay. Hopefully it's the same size. We were told, nah, these are standard. It is the same size. That's good news. There we go. That's in. I'll tighten it a bit. And then I presume the other rubber should come to this side. There we go. Um, let's put this one here for now. That looks nice. Okay. Yeah, this looks, yes, you can see. We tried to clean it. Now it's very bad. Let's take this new one and hopefully we've got the right stuff. There we go. And we just tighten. There we go. Tight enough. And then we just tighten and bit this side. We shouldn't. It's all about not having a water leak. I think that's tight enough. Don't want to break anything. There we go. Yeah, that's tight enough. So takes you less than 10 minutes. You don't need anything special. No, takes less than 10 minutes. Oh, this is different. There we go. Okay, I can hook it like this. Let's see if I can hook it better. Here we go. All right, let's remove this for now and see if our work is done. For less than no leaks and no water splashing anywhere. There we go. That's okay. Another DIY successfully done. So this is one thing that's all about doing it yourself. Some of these things you get charged a lot of money for doing very simple, basic things. All you need some few tools and just be a handyman. Learn to change things your way, on your own, and you should be good. Yeah, this is odd. It's not going to get out easily. So there could be water coming out. We've closed the main water supply. So if I'm correct, the geyser this is coming from the geyser. The geyser should not uh, continue to give us lots of water until this must be water in the pipe. So there should, until we open the main water supply, this should just be water sitting in the pipe or lying in the pipe. There we go. There is our rubber. As you can see, it's actually cracked. This is where our leak is coming from. Okay, so we're gonna try and replace this side, do the other side for now. And once we're ready in future, we'll just have this whole tile done, removed, and we'll put a new shower mixer, the later shower mixer with a single handle. You go to hot, you go to cold, and that's what we're gonna do. But for now, just to stop unnecessary water bills, we're gonna replace these rubbers. Hopefully we have got the right one. So yeah, be with us as we do the hot water side. And once we are done with the hot water side, we'll do the same on the cold water side. And then we'll see what is happening. As soon as we are done, we will be back. So there's the, hopefully it's an easy, we can do that. There we go. Okay. And then we are going to fit this back in, do the other one, and just complete the two jobs. There we go. Let's fit it back in. Don't have to, the most important thing is not to concentrate. We should have used a bit of thread tape, but we don't have. You can always take it out later and thread cross thread and thread tape it, but it's okay for now. There wasn't any sign of thread tape, but no. I would have loved to put a bit of thread tape, but I realized I don't have any thread tape at all. Should be fine, but yeah, should be fine. We'll test it and see if there's any leak. Just close it for now manually. Let's do the next step. We save this to once and for all. You can just to create content.
Nope, stuck.
Okay.
Don't think it was large enough.
And this we're not using any. Okay. I don't know what I just tighten it good enough. Still turning? That's just excess water coming from the shower hose. So if we do this, there shouldn't be any leak here. That's just excess water coming from our shower hose. So we need to change that thing on top. But for now, you can see the water is stopping. There's no leak here. This is where the leak was. This bucket, as you see, after 1 week, it was always almost full. So now we are good. Another successful DIY project. And today we were working as three, myself, Panache, and Covenant. So yeah, you like I was saying, it's an old house. You've got to love it. You've got to keep working on it. You've got to keep doing stuff. Otherwise, you'll be losing money every single day. You call this guy to fix. You call an electrician to replace something. Your water is leaking. Your bill is going up. Just do it yourself. All we bought are just a set of rubbers for this shower cubicle that costed us about 19 rand. And then in the main ensuite bathroom where we put the hand shower, we bought that also for about 250 rand. So all this, the labor is ours. That other bathroom set took us about 10-15 minutes. We were done. This was slightly more because there was a lot of work. We spent about, say, an hour, maybe an hour 15, an hour and a half, but it's working. We don't have any leaks anymore. Our shower is good. So yeah, Again, if you are new to our channel, we kindly ask you to subscribe, share and like, and if you're a returning subscriber, kindly share, like and comment on our videos, and this will help us to create more content as well as know if we have done something wrong that we correct it in the next DIY project. Thank you. See you in the next vlog.